Happy New Year to everyone watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and tuning into my channel. I hope you're doing very well. I hope you are having a great time this new year with your family. Today we are going to be preparing a winter vegetable dinner soup that you can serve with whichever carb of your choice. Could be rice, could be potatoes, plantains, or whatever that you have. This is very simple, doesn't take up to 5 minutes to prepare once you've prepped your ingredients. The ingredients that you'll be needing for this simple soup are carrots, you'll be needing spring onions or green onions, you'll be needing chicken or turkey or beef or whatever protein source of your choice. You will also be needing paprika or bell peppers, whichever one you decide to use. You will be needing parsnip, okay, the white looking carrot ingredient. You'll be needing celery roots, okay. You will be needing fennel bulbs, and you can also add any other vegetable of your choice. Normally if you go to a supermarket, you will see most of these ingredients packaged together, okay. You buy them in a packet. The only extra thing I added was spring onions or green onions, whatever you choose to call it, and paprika, okay. This is what I added extra. The others came together in a pack. So here is called green soup ingredients. Look out for them, and if you cannot get them in a packet, you can get the ingredients separately the way they are, okay. I started by prepping these ingredients, cutting them to sizes that I want, spicing the chicken with onion, ginger, garlic, salt, and I do not want to overspice the chicken so I can get the natural taste, because most of these ingredients have their own flavors. I wanted these flavors to be tested when eating this, so I did not add a lot of spices to the chicken. And you can spice your chicken overnight, 30 minutes in the freezer, whatever time you choose is okay. Okay, if you don't have time, you can also spice and prepare yours immediately. You boil the chicken a little while. Don't let it cook so much before you start adding. I just added the ingredients in batch. I didn't have time to start adding them one after the other, because I added the ingredients in batch to ensure they don't overcook. Started with a little bit tougher ones like the carrot, okay, the celery root, and this fennel bulb. I added them first, and the boil with the carrot a little, with the chicken a little bit, and I added uh, my onions and my spring onions too, and the vegetable I had, then paprika, and I turned off the heat. And voila, the soup is ready. Alongside, I was also cooking or boiling potatoes and rice, like you can see from the video that I decided to serve this soup with. This soup you can also decide to add a little bit of pepper, red chili peppers or fresh pepper if you have, to spice it up a little bit in case you live in a cold region this season of the year. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you love it, do not forget to leave a comment. Have you ever eaten anything that has to do with fennel bulb or parsnip or this celery root? Do you like the taste, the aroma that they come with? What do you think are the most beneficial health benefit of these three ingredients? Do not forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and leave a good comment, like, so others will be able to be shown this video. Thank you, and stay safe this new year. Until my next video, I'll see you then. Have a great time, and bye.